Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We're cooking some shrimp and sausage, but I'm gonna put my own little twist to it, okay? Let's get it. So first of all, I got my onion chopped up, I got some bell pepper, 4 different colors, I got my shrimp right here. Here's some seasonings I like to use to make it simple for you guys. Normally I like to make my own seasonings, but we'll let you see that. Some olive oil. I got a couple of packets of sausage right here that I'm gonna put in there and make it happen. All right, let's get with it. All right, let's get into this. Get my gloves on here so we can operate, baby. So I got my olive oil kind of warming up right now. I'm gonna drop my vegetables in here. We're gonna get those to sauteing. I dropped a little piece right here. We don't waste not one, not baby. We're gonna put that on there and let that saute. Next we'll put our shrimp in there. Then we got our tomato sauce right here, and that's the regular Kroger brand. And then we'll put our seasoning. Gonna cut our sausage up. Matter of fact, while we're doing that, let's cut our sausage up. And you can always comment on the box below, or you can send me an email. BigDaddyCookingShow@gmail.com. And I just put a half a link of sausage in that. Ooh, look at that cheese and jalapeno in that sausage. Oh my God. You know what? We can throw our sausage on in there with our vegetables. Let's cover that up. Looking amazing. All right, let's stir this around a little bit here. Oh my God, can you smell the aromas? He's trying to jump out of there. No, sir. And I have it on about a medium heat, which on your dial on your stove is about middle. The middle marker. I turned my fire up just a little bit, so now you can hear it sizzling, because I'm going to get ready to add my shrimp into here. Look at that, that looked amazing. So let's take a look. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my God. So now, if you notice the shrimp, they got a little pink color to them. So now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. 2 cans. Which is 8 ounces each. We'll stir it up a little bit. Oh my God. Probably smart if I use a spoon, right, instead of a spatula, right? Alright, keep your opinions to yourself. Let's let that simmer down a little bit. Okay, I grabbed the spoon. Now we got this boiling a little bit. And I like mine with a little thick texture to it. If you want to add a little water, you can. But it's coming along just fine. So now we'll get ready to add our seasonings to it. Okay, let's add our seasoning. Right here I have some honey, hickory. Can you see that? Put some of that in there. I got that Tony Saturated Creole seasoning. Yes, sir. Accent. Some garlic powder. And I even add a little minced onions to it. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. And I like a little sweet texture to mine, so I'm going to add a little honey in it. You can put sugar, but I'm going to add some honey. There we go. Stir that up right quick. Turn your fire down low. Let's get the fire down low. Alright. And just let that simmer. I'll probably let it simmer another about 20 minutes. And we'll be back for the finishing product. And you know this. I have some long grain brown rice by Dugay organic that I'm going to actually put, and then put that shrimp and sausage all over it. And this is the finishing touches. Ooh. Man, I want to thank you for watching Big Daddy Show. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube. Last but not least, beasting.